So passed a day in the life of a PI. Not exactly a typical day, but not totally untypical either. What makes a man stay with it, nobody knows. Strider PT. You don't get rich. You don't often have much fun. Sometimes you get beaten up, or shot at, or tossed into the jailhouse. Once in a long while, you get dead. Every other month, you decide to give it up and find some sensible occupation while you can still walk without shaking your head. Then the door buzzer rings and you open the inner door to the waiting room, and there stands a new face with a new problem, a new load of grief, and a small piece of money. So some of you might be wondering, what the hell is this? Well, this is a part of my favorite novel, The Long Goodbye, written by Raymond Chandler, published in 1953. Yep, I really wanted to be a guy like a Marlowe. Not that I wanted to be a PI in 1950s LA. Anyhow, I thought Philip Marlowe's story would fit in the mood of this film. I filmed it Sunday morning while preparing the breakfast and using Strider PT, which is totally inappropriate for this job. The PT is a nice knife and it's actually really sharp, but it sucks for cutting carrot, things like that. Well, this is probably not Mick Strider had in his mind when he designed PT. Although this small knife is really capable. It's under 3 inches. I mean, the blade length is under 3 inches. It is definitely more fun than using a mini MacLeod, and possibly even more fun than using small Sebenza. By the way, I love Raymond Chandler, but I hate Mickey Spillane and, Mike Hammer, his creation. I think Mike Hammer is pretty much Spillane himself, and this guy got it totally wrong about being hard-boiled. In his book, in Mickey Spillane's book, it is basically a big guy with a big gun is bullying around the people. He thinks it is a definition of tough guy. The difference between Philip Marlowe and Mike Hammer is basically one is sensitive, the other one is not. One has certain amount of sentiment, the other one doesn't even understand it. Anyhow, this is how my Sunday starts. It's cold, but it's sunny, so I may go for a ride later. Or maybe I should finish Yanagiba sharpening tip video that I've been working on, but haven't finished yet. Now, you may call this using in original design parameter or intended use, if you will. Well, most so-called tactical folder, tactical knives, the pommel can be used as an impact weapon. Anyway, PT is a really nice looking knife. I like titanium scale, titanium frame, and pillar construction, no backspacer. So blood, mud, water, everything falls out. Oh, by the way, the blade is CPM 154. Essentially the same composition as 154 cm, but it's a powdered metal. And yeah, it's a Gen 3 PT.